So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install WordPress inside your subdomain. So first, how to create a subdomain and install WordPress inside it for you to be able to build your website. So firstly, what is a subdomain? A subdomain is another website hosted under your main domain. So let's say something like docs.google.com, something like drive.google.com. So there are other platforms, but they are still attached to the main domain. So if you want to create a subdomain, firstly you have to sign in into your web hosting account. So you can see my web hosting account, you can see my client area, and this is my product details. So you just scroll down to where you write cpanel. So locate, you can click here to go to cpanel or click here. As in your own case, when you log into your web hosting to client area, find anywhere the right cpanel and just click on it. So it's going to load another page for me now. So let me log in again. Okay, good. So this is our cpanel. So we are going to look for where the right domains. So you come here. So if you want to create a subdomain, you can see subdomain. You click on this and it's going to take you here. So let's say I want to create a subdomain called example, since this is just like an example test for us. So once you are done, you click the domain you want it to be under. So in my case, I'm going to use emmanuelguitars.com. So I want to create example.emmanuelguitar.com as a subdomain under my main domain name. So can you see it's put a full stop between? So you just click create. So it's going to load and it's going to create my subdomain for me. Good. Can you see this success? Example.emmanuelguitars.com has been created. So you go back now. We go to the next stage of installing WordPress inside our subdomain. So go back to your main cpanel. Now you will now scroll down to the down part. You look for Stufftaculous app. So now these are them. Stufftaculous app installer. So WordPress is an app also. So you click on WordPress. So once you click on WordPress, it will bring you to another page like this. So before I create install WordPress inside it, let me just show you. These are some of the current domains and subdomain I've created. So it's going to tell you, it's going to show you so many things you've done, the subdomain and domain you've created in the past. So for you to install, just click on install, and now at this junction you are going to leave it as HTTP because you've not enabled. You make sure it's in HTTP. You've not enabled SSL, that's secure socket layer, like the security on your site. So you make sure it's HTTP and not HTTPS. So here you come and pick the exact subdomain you want to install WordPress inside. So it was example.amazingdigitals I've created. So let's look for it. So let's see where it is. Okay, so example dot, you can see it, example.emmanueldigitals.com. So you click on this. So here just remove this WP, you don't need it because you are already inside the WordPress itself. So this is the latest version of WordPress. When you click, you see other version, so you leave it this way. So you scroll down. Now here you have to choose your site name. So let's say my site name is digital marketing. Let's say site description is email marketing. Good. So now you come here. This is where you change your username. You can remove this admin and rename it. So let's say I want to use something like manual design. So here, let me change it. So always use a strong password. So always use a strong password. So you can see strong 100%. So here you use your default email for the meantime. So I'll pick my default Gmail address. So you just scroll down. Don't bother about this English. Don't click anything here. So go down. Don't pick anything, because when you install the WordPress inside your subdomain, you are still going to have opportunity to select a lot of things. So just go straight here. It means that all the username, password, the site name, all the details of your account, sub account, is going to be sent to any email address you put here. So I'll use my other email address. So should in case you forget your password, your username, or your site name, you can easily go back. They will send the package to that email address, so you can check it up. So you just click install. So let's go back up. So it's going to take just a few seconds to load and install. So I see, got you. See, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now WordPress has been installed inside my subdomain. How do I know? Now if I click this, let me open a new tab. You are going to see something now. So you can see that it's telling me digital marketing. That was what the site name I inputted. So this is the default WordPress theme. It's 2022. So after this video, I'm going to show you how to edit, how to start select a particular theme, how to start designing your site using themes and plugin. So now if you want to go to the dashboard, you just click this. So it's going to take you straight to the dashboard of the subdomain site we created. So you can see welcome to WordPress, dashboard, home. So these are your sidebars menu. So you can see the latest WordPress. When you scroll down, you see some other activities. So now you have WordPress installed inside your subdomain. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to select a good theme to use for your website, understanding plugins, themes, understanding pages, posts, media, comments, users, tool settings. So I'm going to explain the function of all the sidebar here. So this is how you can install WordPress as subdomain and you get started designing your site. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.